Hello, welcome to the channel where we will take a look at trading forex, learning how to use indicators, reading charts, and become a profitable trader in general. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button because we will be bringing forward great content to you weekly on trading forex. What is forex? Why should we trade forex? Forex trading is about currency trading on forex market. Basic principle that operates on every market applies here as well. In order to make money, you have to buy low then sell high. That's the whole philosophy. Working non-stop with uncountable amounts of dollars. Forex is the greatest liquid financial market worldwide. You can now trade currency whenever you want, wherever you are, whoever you are. Until the 90s, this kind of trading was only allowed for banks. Big corporations or great dealers due to the strict regulations imposed by this market. Individuals or small businesses could not trade here. Towards the end of the 90s, this situation changed as a consequence of the technological development and communication. The internet opened the road to anybody, and forex trading has become the most popular way of making money while being at home. As attractive as it may look, this type of trade is nevertheless risky. Quite a number of people lost considerable sums of money in this business. If you are a beginner, it is important to have some knowledge about how to conduct your trades on forex market. You can get your education by accessing any of the thousands of websites on forex trading. Some of them actually give you models of forex trades, allowing you to practice this trading using fake money. Here at Trading Arise, we will bring years of knowledge of trading, showing you common mistakes made and ways to overcome these mistakes. Please be sure to take advantage of the free book in the description. It will really help you get a solid understanding of trading forex.